Welcome back to Data Cloud Now. We are exploring all things manufacturing, and I'm delighted to be joined by Rachel from Dataiku, joining us all the way from Germany at Hannover Messe. Great to have Dataiku back on Data Cloud Now. Rachel, let's start off with the big picture. What trends are you noticing in the manufacturing space, and how will AI continue to play a pivotal role?
It's great to be back, Ryan. Thanks for having Dataiku back. So it's a pleasure to be here. It's a crazy busy Hannover Messe here in Germany. So there's, as you can imagine, a lot going on in the manufacturing space currently. And if we kind of think about three larger overarching trends that we are talking to organizations about regularly, the first one is really about supply chain. So it still is something that organizations are trying to get on top of, being resilient, being more predictable. And if we can think about really, using predictive analytics to help really predict more around these shortages of raw materials or the shortages on components, this is essential, right, for organizations. So thinking about demand forecasting or capacity forecasting, or what we're seeing actually a lot of organizations now talking about as prices kind of skyrocket, is procurement processing, using AI to help, support and optimize these procurement processes. So that would be the first one that we see. We also see a lot of organizations also talking about smart manufacturing or lean manufacturing. There's a statistic actually that says that 70% of organizations see this as a kind of number one priority for them right now. And it's a big topic. So that entails things like waste management, getting on top of that, automating that, using AI. Or we have things like Industry 4.0 technology. Predictive maintenance is a huge topic for organizations. Hundreds of millions can be saved with this, as well as computer vision, and the list kind of goes on. But we also see companies struggling with this, right? They have challenges around the data quality, but also the people change as well. So thinking about how AI can support both of those, using AI to help find those irregularities in data quality, but also using the modern technologies of AI science today to help upskill those people and empower them, is a big thing. And then the third one is probably sustainability. So especially here in Germany and Europe, sustainability is a huge topic for organizations as we're kind of full blown in this energy crisis. And if you can think about manufacturing companies, they are consuming a lot of energy. So getting on top of energy consumption is crucial for them. So using AI to support and optimizing those production schedules is a big topic. But also CO2 emission forecasting, or even things like sustainable packaging, where, if you can use AI to optimize those processes, companies can, make hundreds also of millions on revenue and as well increase. So those are the three big topics. So for sure, sustainability, smart and lean manufacturing, but also this big topic of supply chain continues.
Rachel, it's so great to have your perspective and really a baseline for where you see the industry at, hyper relevant with the launch of the manufacturing data cloud. How will this allow Dataiku to continue democratizing data to empower organization-wide collaboration?
That's a great question. Super excited about this release. Absolutely. I think, and if we take a step back and just think about something like batch manufacturing in this whole manufacturing sector, thinking about the amount of data that is actually produced is massive, right? It's immense. So something like this solution will help to enhance the capacity of processing this production data. Also, obviously then helping, make things more efficient by empowering those process engineers or subject matter experts on the ground to really identify where those failures are, becoming the root cause of some of these issues, and being more able to anticipate and predict is key. So this is a super exciting solution. I think it's going to be pivotal in the manufacturing space.
Rachel, trust is really pivotal to everything Dataiku does. I want to dive in a little bit and explore, how does AI play a key role in that trust on a day-to-day basis?
It's a really good question. Everyone's talking about AI and can we trust it? So very relevant. And it's key that organizations understand first off that it's not about being 100% accurate from day one around delivering results on AI. That should not be the key. The key should be to continue to get better and better by the AI results that they get. And we see companies struggling with this adoption of AI through their organizations when it's really around delivering results to those decision makers or subject matter experts that's delivered in a black box. They can't trace back where those results came from, how they were derived. And so, being able to really provide those results with the traceback step by step and allowing people to participate in that is key to trust. And that's where we see that organizations using tools like Dataiku gain this trust from those people on the ground, and they can adopt it much, much quicker.
An exciting next chapter, Rachel. I'm looking forward to seeing this play out. Really appreciate your insights. What's next, and how can the audience learn more about what you and your team at Dataiku are doing on a daily basis?
Yeah, no, it's super exciting. Absolutely. And we've got lots of stuff coming up, something also with Snowflake in the coming weeks as well. So follow us on social media, check out the webinars that we have regularly coming out, and follow me also and reach out. We're happy to talk.
Rachel, it's been an absolute pleasure. Always love talking to Dataiku on Data Cloud Now. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks so much, Ryan.
And for the audience watching, I'm Ryan Green. I'll see you soon.